Hello, my friends. I hope you're doing well today. Today, we are going to be thinking about a very tricky question. So I'm going to need you to put on your thinking cap. So far, we know that if we wanted to make another plant, we would need to start out with a seed. So what if I asked you to make another plant, like a potato, but you could not use a seed to start it? What would you do? When a plant makes a new plant without using a seed, that process is called propagation. To understand how propagation works, we are going to have to look at potatoes. Potatoes use propagation to make more potato plants. Let's look first at how a potato plant grows. Potatoes grow underground, while the leaves, stems, and flowers are above ground. There are usually many potatoes growing underground all at once. The parent plant is the potato plant that is already grown up. So if we wanted to grow another potato plant, we would need a potato from the parent plant. You would plant the potato once it starts to get old and sprout. Here are two examples of potatoes that are ready to be planted. They are wrinkly and starting to sprout. Those sprouts are what will shoot out to make more tubers and grow more potato plants. So if you have some old wrinkly potatoes growing in your cupboard and they're starting to get tubers on them, you can go ahead and plant those underground and you'll be able to grow a new potato plant.